I'm going to show how I build a custom pallet to freight ship an industrial sewing machine. Shipping and handling is a series of stress tests on your packaging. So it's important that whatever you build and however you build it, you keep in mind that it's going to be a stressful situation for that packaging. And so that could mean lateral forces that are not necessarily straight up and down. That's going to mean bumps and drops. And the reality is your packaging may be handled more roughly than you appreciate. I make all kinds of videos that are informative and hopefully entertaining. So consider subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching. Shipping is a series of various shocks and vibrations for hours a day until such time as it reaches its destination. This plastic drawer is not designed to handle a load while driving down a highway at 70 miles per hour. This wrap will ensure that it does not vibrate open or collapse under the conditions of shipping. This sewing machine head is rather heavy. structure I'm building will both help the table to support the load during transport on rough roads and also keep the head from tipping over or becoming dislodged from its recessed fitment. I use a few staples for the erection of my carcass. Then I use screws for the majority of the construction. I think they're probably stronger, and it also aids in the disassembly of the crate once it reaches its destination. Ordinarily, the sheeting would come right up to the top. This is just a workaround for a shortage of plywood.